since a few classes, we've been doing a lot of discussion, experiments, videos we've been watching. We've gone live into all these nurseries and seen different kind of plants, leaves, everything, right? For all these biofilms, we've been doing that. Today, I want you all to write a little bit of definition in your book. So it will improve your handwriting. It will pick up your speed and thoda sa aaj writing karenge. So whatever is here can come into your, I know it's all in your textbook, but we'll do a little bit of writing because that is also necessary. So whatever I am going to dictate now, you're going to write. Agreed? Is that fine?
Dictate. Oh.
Kya hua, Tanishka? Not happy with dictation?
Happy.
Happy na?
Yes.
Sure, ready? Shall we start?
No. Yes, ma'am. No. 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 No.
Oh, yes, yes, no, yes, yes.
I am writing it. Yeah. I finished it. Start. But Rani gone.
First, write the word lamina. What?
1 minute wait. I lost the page in nearby.
Oh. And A na, ma'am.
Lamina.
Lamina. Yeah.
Dictation.
Yes, Lamina is lamina. Okay. I am also going to write it with you. So you know what I am writing. All right. Shall we do it together?
Yes. I'm ready to do it.
Can you see my screen?
Oh. No. Yes.
Yes.
Oh, shit. I do some mistake.
What? Who said shit? Please go to your bathroom. Anyone who says shit in class will go to the bathroom, finish it and come back. Did you hear me?
Oh.
No, I said I mistake somebody.
Yeah?
Something.
Yeah?
Yes.
Please watch the words when you are inside the class. Okay? Very important. We will use better words. Yes, Pranav, you were asking for something?
Can we write the number heading definition?
Can we write what?
Number heading definition.
Yeah, start writing. No, I've written it for you. You can see the screen, right? The broad and expanded portion of a leaf is called lamina or leaf blade.
And you have to read and page number 10 and 11.
No
Read it.
repeating, no repeating. Please just copy. Today's class, we will zip the lip and we are only going to write because for the last 5 classes, we've been doing a lot of biology talking. Talking, roaming, watching videos, discussing, exchanging ideas. Now, little bit of writing is necessary. वरना हमारा नोटबुक बोलेगा मैं क्यों हूँ बैग में, मुझे कौन यूज करेगा.
Ma'am, after lamina.
Watch. You can watch what's going on the screen. Okay, wait. I will increase the text. Can you all see it clearly on your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this font size is good. ये better दिख रहा है?
Much better.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, I will put off the volume from wherever I think there's too much noise. Subhan, are you writing?
Yes.
Can you show me what you've written so far?
Ma'am, but I can't see you all and I can't.
What did you say? Subhanam, what did you say, Ma? Ranveer, do you have to blow a horn to start writing? Oh, the engineer is blowing air into the ink and all. Oh my God. Oh my God. Some smarty kids I have in my class. Too much. Are you all writing? Chlorophyll तक हो गया लिख के?
Written all, stomach also.
Oh, okay. I want neat handwriting. You have to submit this. I want to see good handwriting. Tanishka, have you written till chlorophyll? Tanishka, have you
Yes,
written till
ma'am.
chlorophyll? Okay, then I will just increase the font and put this into another screen. Wait.
Ma'am, 1 minute. I'm writing last.
Baba, wait, Baba, it's right here. Don't
Yeah.
anywhere. Okay, I've increased the font also.
Mama, I'm writing stomata.
Neat handwriting, children. Neat handwriting. हमें कोई पेन नहीं पकड़नी है. Yes, थोड़ा सा fast लिखना है. So your writing speed improve, but neat handwriting. When you write it and submit it, teacher should feel like she wants to read it. Teacher shouldn't think, oh God, मैं इसका कोई जादू निकाल रही हूँ इसके handwriting से, या फिर इसने कुछ लिख के मेरे लिए दिया है. Teacher should feel nice looking at your writing. ना होगा ना? See, presentation is very important. Presentation के लिए marks मिलता है.
Today Vihan is absent.
What?
Today Vihan is absent.
Yeah, I don't know why. Looks like
Manga Rihan is not.
yeah, we're all missing.
Where is Rihan?
हो गया PTOL तक लिखे हुआ? Okay, you all have written until leaf apex. One leaf apex तक लिखे हो गया?
हाँ.
अनुष्का leaf apex तक लिखे हो गया? Tanishka leaf apex तक लिखे हो गया?
Yes, Mama, over it. Full thing. No, I'm writing that. Yes. Yes.
Have you finished writing leaf apex?
Yeah, I finished that. I'm writing that down. Yes, I'm writing this.
Okay. PTOL लिख लिया?
No, I'm writing it.
Midrib. See, these definitions are so easy, no? They're simple and straightforward. We've all done this several times.
I don't have the place. Oh, it's a wire.
You don't have place? My God, you have the whole book.
Ma'am, you're on the table. Oh my God.
Subhan, can you show me what you've written so far? Subhan. Subhan, can you show me what you've written so far? Uh-oh. You went off the screen. Okay, everyone written until midrib?
Yes.
Ranveer, finished until midrib? Tanishka, finished until midrib?
Ma'am.
Yes or no?
No. Oh, I can't do it.
Chalo, flex your hands if you want to until I get the next one. Tanishka, a little faster, baby, please. Now, these are all about different types of.
I was writing it.
What were you
And
writing?
some
Tanishka?
background noise is coming.
Yeah, that's
Yes.
from Tanishka. That's okay. Tanishka, write midrib now, jaldi se. A large and thick vein of the leaf is called midrib. So easy. Done? Okay.
Ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, did someone have some question?
Ma'am.
Hmm?
Ma'am, of this of compound leaf definitions, ma'am. Second line, ma'am, midrib and are bone. There is bone now.
Leaflets arranged on both sides of the midrib. Okay, midrib hai, and they are arranged on both sides of the midrib and are borne on a common stalk which is attached to the node of the stem. जैसे कड़ी पत्ता. कड़ी पत्ता में जो मिडरिब है वो थिक रहता है एकदम बीच में से, राइट? उसके दोनों साइड में से the leaves are coming out in alternate manner. So the single stem that is there in the middle, that is the midrib of that leaf. The ones that are on either sides, they are called leaflets. कड़ी पत्ता का जो midrib है उसके single leaf के अंदर नहीं, वो जो पूरा डंडा है ना, that is the midrib. Okay. All right, everybody's done with this one. Shall I go to the next page? Everyone is done with this page. Shall I go to the next page?
No, 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Okay.
Yes, you can.
तनिष्का हो गया? Tanishka, why do you always say like that? Sit like that. Have you copied compound leaf as well?
Yes.
Yes. Ranveer, you're done. Subhan, are you done?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Do fast, Baba. हो गया सुभान?
Ma'am, I am on such types.
Such type
Last-
of leaf is called compound leaf. Oh, you're almost done. I'll go to the next slide.
No.
Okay, I'll wait. हो गया?
Compound leaf.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This is a big one, so pay attention and you have to write the whole paragraph that I type here, okay? Wait, let me just increase the font. I forgot to do that. One moment. Better now? Y'all can see it better now? This is a long sentence. So what I will do, I will color them so you split it that way and read it. Okay? You split it that way. In the alternate arrangement, there is one leaf at each node, which lies opposite to the previous one. So if you go split by split, it will be much easier for you to remember the whole sentence. So what you can do, each of the colored ones, underline them and stop it till there only. So that way you will split the sentence and read it. Did you understand? You all understood what I meant?
Yes.
Yeah. In
Yes.
the alternate arrangement, wahan tak underline karo and leave it. There is one leaf at each node. Underline that much and leave it. Which lies opposite to the previous one. So that way you will be able to understand it and remember the meaning like that.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
power is gone and my charging is 14 only.
अरे जितना है उसको यूज करो.
I will do brightness. Yes. Yeah.
जितना है उसको उतना यूज करो. You have 14%, which is good. It is any day better than 1 or 2%, correct?
It's 12. I would like to. I'm gonna write it fast.
What?
Can I write it fast?
Of course, you're supposed to write it fast.
You don't. All leaves are in sauce.
As you write, are you able to understand what you're writing?
Yes.
समझ में आ रहा है कि हम लिख क्या रहे हैं?
Ma'am.
Yeah, बोलो.
Yes, write it fast. Write it, ma'am. Finished? No. Ma'am, I'm talking about 5.
Relax, relax, Tanishka. I will still send this off to you later. Relax, relax. Chill, Madi, chill, Madi. Underline it the way I have underlined, so you will remember it when you're looking to learn it.
And I have given dots that I can do with an points.
Listen, Tanishka, instead of talking, no, you keep writing that. I've also left extra space in between.
Ma'am, I have done writing this also.
Yeah, very good. Ranveer and Pranav, you've also finished. Subhan, have you written it the way I asked you to? Underline.
Yes.
Leave little space so you know those break of sentences will give you
Yes.
pause and it will help you understand the meaning better. Shall I go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Subhan, again you started moving around. Keep your phone in one place.
My mother is coming.
Your mother is coming, so your phone will start moving.
So I have gone.
Where?
That door.
Okay, done? I'll go to the next one now. We have written alternate arrangement. What do you think we will write next now? Opposite arrangement. Okay. Subhan, there's too much noise coming from your side. I'm going to put you on mute. If there's anything, you please raise your hand, okay?
Ma'am, from mine, no. From someone's place, I don't know.
Yes, Ranveer, you want to say something?
Ma'am,
Hmm?
ma'am, we are going to write is bold arrangement.
Yes, we will do that after we do the opposite arrangement. Vidya?
No, ma'am. I am an angle.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Over, Pranav. Pranav, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Tanishka, ho gaya? Tanishka's screen is frozen. Okay, I think she should be done. Okay, children, now one thing I want you to remember is when we were doing this screen, okay, when we were writing
Yes.
about lamina, chlorophyll, these were all parts of a leaf. Okay, remember we wrote these are all parts of a leaf. Is that right? Leaf,
Yes.
leaf, stomata, these are all parts of a leaf. Correct? Then we came to
Yes.
leaflets. What are these? इसको क्या कहते हैं?
Leaflet.
Types of leaves. Okay? Right? हाँ कि ना? ये किस
Yes.
leaflets है, compound leaf है, simple leaf hai. Those were types of leaves. Okay, in the middle of that I missed out one important point, which was leaf arrange. This is leaf arrangement, right? These are arrangement of leaves. Correct?
Ma'am, we
Alternate and-
write the heading.
what?
Ma'am, we have to write.
No, you want to write, you can write, but if you understand it also, it is enough. Okay?
And we can understand. And
know.
ma'am, I have
Starting with your learn.
I have left one. In that line, there will be no, ma'am, it will be no space.
What? I didn't understand what you said. Please repeat.
One line, no, after one definition.
Which one? You missed out. Which one?
Ma'am, all I have written.
You've written all. So good.
Ma'am, ma'am, but if we write this arrangement of leaves, ma'am, so no space will be there.
You don't have to write. I'm just telling it to you. Okay?
Yes, ma'am, to understand.
Chalo.
Ma'am, you have to have word arrangement of leaves, no?
No need. I just told you that these are different types of it. अलग अलग का definition अलग है क्योंकि उसका source अलग है.
Ma'am, so in the book, how it is, leaves, we have to write like that only, no, in the book.
Sorry, babies. I think I confused you all. Please just continue the way you're writing. Please continue the way you're writing. I'm sorry. I look like I confused you all.
Okay.
Yes, Tanishka, you logged out of the class. Battery gone?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
yes.
Come down to Pranav's place. No. Tell Ma, teacher is there to look at that. Yeah, come. Pranav, Tanishka is coming over to your place now.
Yes, ma'am.
Good boy. Leave the arrangement the way it is. Don't move the phone and this and that. एकदम सही है. बस साइड में बैठ के उसको लिखने दो. हो गया? This is done.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is it written on a whole of or a circle?
I'm so back.
Tanishka, why do you have to move the phone? Just leave it there and you sit down.
I don't touch it. Rana, touch it. Sit down there. Yeah. Take your.
Whole leaf. In the whole leaf arrangement, there are more than 2 leaves at each node, arranged in a whole or a circle. That is a whole.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next. With this, we complete all the arrangement of leaves. Okay. Next.
My hand is spinning.
Good. You all have not written in a while. That's why. PHYLLOTAXY. Phyllotaxy.
Ma'am.
What happened, Tanishka?
I'm writing. Wait for me. Ma'am, I don't like underlining. I will give in dots and some
Tanishka,
space.
quietly write. Tanishka, please quietly write. This is why तुम्हारा खत्म नहीं होता, because you're constantly talking in between. Just write.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we can understand ma'am without underlining this.
Okay, if you can understand, then very good. It is just for you all to make it easy. और कुछ नहीं.
Ma'am, I feel it better by underlining only.
Okay. I've done it there. However you feel comfortable, it's fine.
I finish with silent actually.
Genius. Yes. When the spelling mistake is there, no, I will also get spelling mistake.
हो गया सबका?
No, ma'am. I'm writing some. GD. On. Ma'am, that whole leaf. Ma'am, last line C, ma'am, E, you have not written.
E will come only when I have to write it as ED. Hold. Otherwise, it is a whole or a circle.
Write D. Not, ma'am, not. Whole, O-I. Or a circle. Phyllotaxy. PHY. LLOTAXY. The arrangement.
Of leaves.
MENT. of these
हैंग पड़ जाता है। अरे
मालूम पड़ा तो क्या कर रहा था?
अरे मालूम नहीं पड़ा, मम्मी से भी पूछो। तो हैंग हो रहा था पूरा।
देख ये स्मार्टफोन है तेरा, बंद कर।
जूम बहुत स्पेस खाता है इसमें, उसके लिए
देख तेरे मेरे से रहने गए समझ रहे।
मार खा के नहीं, वो बार बार वो हैंग हो रहा है।
तू जो भी गेम में खेलता नहीं फालतू गिरी तेरे का फिर
मैम से पूछो।
मैम से पूछो कि अभी हैंग भी कुछ नहीं हुआ।
आवाज भी वो सब
देखा
आता
सब तू क्या कर रहा था।
सब आवाज आता है मैम।
देखा और मैं समझ गया तू क्या कर रहा था।
मैम
क्या?
गेम खेल रहा, टाइम पास कर रहा। सब
Next.
बचाएगा ना मैं सच में।
मैम को भी आवाज आएगा।
वापस उठेगा ना और तेरा क्लास ही बंद करेगा मैं।
All right. Next.
मैम को भी आवाज जाता है। मैम को भी आवाज जाएगा।
लगा ऑन कर क्लास।
Subhan, get back to class. You can talk to everyone later. And if Papa and Mummy are saying something, you're going to obey that. There's no two ways around it. Right, Vination? Subhan, are you writing?
Ma'am, I don't have pad.
And take a pencil. No excuses. No pen, then take a pencil. Pencil is my favorite thing to write.
Ma'am, she is not having pad. She is having pen but not having pad. Take from the pencil. Ma'am. Yes, she did. Can't sweat.
Subhan, are you writing?
Mama finishes Venation.
What?
Subhan, are you there? Are you writing?